Welcome back, and there's just time for one more story. Importee Wall Street trader and Don Quessy are expected to duke it out in a competitive 14-horse field set to go postward in the feature Ash Wednesday Trophy, an overnight allowance contest going 6.5 furlongs at Caymanas Park. Denise Walters has our midweek racing preview.
5-2 anti-post to favourite Wall Street trader is seeking a first win since last July, where he defeated Mute Mile runner-up Legacy Isle in the Thoroughbred Hall of Fame Stakes. Rowan Matthews, the 7-year-old Dark Bay gelding, is coming off a 5th place finish against a brilliant Nautical Star on January 17, but has a less daunting assignment. And with nothing as imposing present, Wall Street trader could get the job done with former champion jockey Christopher Mamdine in the saddle. But the ever-improving Don Quessy, second in the anti-post odds at 3-1, is hunting his 3rd win on the trot in his seasonal debut. The Barrington Bernard conditioned 4-year-old Bay Colt is coming off back-to-back wins against the strong American opposition, going 7.5 and 7 furlongs respectively. Despite the shorter distance and being in overnight company for the first time, Don Quessy, to be ridden by champion apprentice Damar Williams, is expected to put in a brave bid. However, the likes of Supremacy, Miniature Man and Sensational Soul could prove dangerous and return to winning ways. The race is set for 5:30 p.m. Meanwhile, 3-time former champion jockey Anthony Thomas will be riding locally for the first time in 2.5 years with 5 mounts on the 10-race card. First post is set for 11:30 a.m. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.